Hey guys, and welcome to the Nash House. Even though it's Monday,
What?
the start of the weekday, I don't feel like cooking because the kids were home over the weekend and I had to come up with some creative concepts that they hadn't tasted before. But we still got to eat. Now, if you're new to our channel, welcome. I'm a mom of 4 beautiful children, all ranging from 10 all the way down to 1. So not all the time I feel like making a gourmet meal. And I have a husband and 2 dogs. You know? But we still got to eat. I actually thought of us actually making something a little simple and easy, but guys, when I say it's very easy to make and it fills your family, you got to trust me. Let's start. We actually went to Aldi today instead of Snooks. I love Snooks. If you have not viewed most of my work on our Twitter page or Facebook page or TikTok, is always about me going to Snooks. But we have to tighten up our budget. So I actually visited a wonderful store called Aldi. I'm going to upload a video of our actual grocery haul and give you guys my feedback of the store, and you can let me know what you think, okay? But today I found something that I thought was very unique. I've had this before as a child, but my kids have never had it, so I wanted to introduce this to them. This is actually Salisbury Steak. Yeah. Salisbury Steak at Aldi.
That's enjoyed on South Park.
On South Park. I forgot about South Park. But anyway, we're going to make this. All you have to do is preheat your oven to 375. Remove the little safe tray. I'm going to show you. This is the safe tray. It had a piece of film on the top. You take the film off and you sit it inside in the middle of the cookie tray. Once your oven is ready, then you just pop it in. It normally takes about 50 to 55 minutes to cook. While this is cooking, we're going to prep to make some homemade mashed potatoes. That's what this video really is about. I'm going to make some homemade mashed potatoes. And I'm going to, because I told you I don't really feel like cooking, I'm going to give them some green beans with it. Let's go. You need you a medium-sized saucepan filled with hot water with salt in it so it can start to boil. Next, you need to cut up your potatoes. Our water is boiling. These are rustic potatoes. It's really easy. I keep the skin on, but it's up to you. Just want to cut them up. And you could do it finer than that, but don't recommend making them too small. You want to cut them up into little bite-sized pieces. I keep the skin on just because I prefer that in my mashed potatoes. But these are rustic potatoes. All right, let's put them in the boiling water. The water is boiling, so let's put our potatoes in. Okay, hold on, I'm gonna make a mess. Be careful. Whoop. You won't try to poke it. It's not ready yet, so that means it needs to cook. Once it's done, and I'll show you, you'll be able to put the fork right through it. Alright, so it's been about 15 minutes, and as you see, the water is boiling. So we're going to test it out with our fork. Ooh, it's almost done. Let's see if we can get a little closer. Oops. So I would give it about 5 more minutes to boil because I want them to be really soft. So we can use my favorite tool, the masher. Yeah, Yeah, look at that. I love my masher. So you're going to need a large bowl, the masher, at least 1/4 cup of butter. I use unsalted butter. You can use margarine. And you will need some milk, garlic powder, black pepper, and salt. And sour cream. Yeah. Alright, we are done. So we're going to pour it into the strainer. A bowl. And 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. I like to put mine right in the middle. Oh, I forgot. I added cheese to this because my kids love cheesy potatoes. Use black pepper. All to your taste. Garlic salt. Garlic powder. Fourth cup of hot, warm milk. You're gonna pour just a little bit, and now it's time to mash. So I sped it up a little bit, guys. Make sure you like this video. Also, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you can be notified when we post new recipes. So I did a taste test. I used a little bit more salt. I'm going to use regular table salt. Got about another one. Homemade mashed potatoes. Now it's time to plate. And this is a quick, easy meal that you can do at Aldi's. The meal actually was under $10, and we're a family of 6, and it's gonna feed all of us. I used some leftover broccoli, but I was planning on doing green beans, which was very inexpensive also. So this is a great meal for under $10 for a large family. Thanks for watching.